son stepped out and looked down at the world below, a distant world where sin's strong arm had struck a fatal blow. There had to be a sacrifice across a lonely hill. Someone had to span the gulf, and Jesus said, I will. I will go the distance. I will go that far. I will give up everything to bring them where you are. Even though I could choose a path of least resistance, Father, I will take the cross. I will go the distance. To think about his sacrifice leaves me with a choice to make. So many stand just out of reach with eternity at stake. But I could be the go-between and walk the extra mile. And if just one should find their way, then it's been worth a while.